Downing Place, United Reformed Church, site visit 19th of November 20. Okay, so just start with a snapshot overlooking the main sanctuary area. In the corner of the shot you can see that we've actually been taking off the existing bitumen from the main floor. We've struck a bit of scaffolding, done an awful lot of decorating in this area too, progressing quite nicely. We've also started putting some boilers and electrics within the plant room of the main sanctuary space, so we can hopefully have all the heating on before we break for Christmas. And around this area in the night light, you can see we're starting to put cables in, and also under the tarpaulin as the windows starting to work. Jumping into the hub now, you can see that we've got white rock on the walls. So we are in a good place within the kitchen area, ready to start fitting that out with the furniture very shortly. And then we move into Gibson Hall. You can see we've got decorating carrying on, starting to look more and more finished in these areas. These are the cupboards that are formed along one elevation. And just a nice shot of the ceilings. Jumped up to the caretaker's flat now. Again, this is further ends are more finished. We've got linings in, the nice oak linings. Moving into the living space, you'll see that the kitchen's being fitted. Looking very smart. We move our way through. You see that all the door linings are in. Skirtings are also installed. Mechanical first fix is in the bathroom, which is where we are now. Now finally have that window in as well, and windowsill. Area for the bath and shower. The ventilation ducts from the kitchen beneath us, they pass through that cupboard, which is now 60-minute fire rated. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, it has the new doors from Colson Joinery in there, very smart. Okay, now we're out onto the mezzanine area. This is the meeting room with the caretaker's flat, the other side of that curved wall. As we pan around the central corridor, which has some paint on the walls. Boxing's now being installed to the ventilation ducts that run down the wall. Very light and airy space up here, really welcoming. As you can see, we've got some of the lights now that have been installed to the walls at high level. Some sockets are starting to go on the walls as well, face plates, light switches, the like. This is going to be the stairwell and lift pit. Now we move through to more of the front end of the hub space. Got some more meeting rooms and the courtyard the other side of those windows. Now we move through to the therapy end. The ventilation from the toilets beneath. Okay, now we're in Gibson Hall Courtyard. As you can see, the pavement slabs have gone down, looking lovely, and the flower beds are in with some topsoil. And as we pan around, we get a nice view looking back now towards the extension, where the glazed doors will be input. Moving through into the hub space now. And then this is the toilet area. As you can see, all the first fix in place now. And the ventilation unit there with the ductwork we saw previously. This is the front courtyard now. Again, you can see we're paving, put new drainage in. The UKPN has been moved. We have an access hatch down there, as you can see as well. We've managed to work it to still maintain the skip on site, which is good. The window opening made for the slot window here, which is the old organ space. Now we're going to carry on round to see the front of the extension on of the church on the roadside. You can see our loading bay still getting lots of use. It's been really handy. And now you can see the scaffolding to the church, where we're just trying to discover where the roof leak was and repair that. And right up high you can see the roof light we've installed as well. Behind the hoarding is all the works we're doing to the welcome area. You'll notice as we walk past that the stonework has been replaced at high level. And we managed to retain some of the parapet stone as well, so a nice blend of new and old. And we've also done the stonework around the new large window. As we move round, you can see we've had to put traffic management procedures in place and temporary pedestrian crossings whilst we shut the footpath off. And then behind the monoflex you'll see that we've now started with the NW01 windows, which we'll get a bit close up in a moment of that. And then, as you can see, we're making some stone repairs to the doorway, sorting out the pillars that had blown. Here we are, so this is NWO1 stonework going in, part way through. Some lovely detailing on this stonework, nice match as well. Seals in. And that concludes our site tour. Thank you.